Hello traders. In this video, I want to explain the Just 5 team trading panel. First of all, we should check the parameters. In the parameters, the first one, we have BE offset pips. It's very important if you wanted to trade and then put your stop loss at the BE. In here, you should choose how many pips it should be far from your entry. The second one is lot is risk. It means it will be changed the lot size to the risk as a default in here. The third one is default lot sizes. What lot size do you want to start with it? Commission per lot. It's very important. If you are using the ECN account, you should set your commission per lot here, because in this trading panel we have the compounding sheet and compounding formula. So it's use the commission per lot from your broker to calculate your lot sizes. The second thing is slippage. Just put it as a default. Trades per page. It means how many trades that it should be show you in per page. Update second. So obviously you know that. Background color and profit color and loss color, it depends on which color that you want to choose. And always remember, in the second tab in the comment, you should put all alive true and you should have tick on it. When you add it on your chart, this panel will be up here. As you see, there is a sad face is still in here, so you could just put the auto trading on. It will be turned to the happy face. You have this panel. We tried to create an ultra panel that has every option that you need in your trading, and I think it's one of the complete trading panel in the forex industry. So you could use it as you want. As you see, we have many information on the panel. Beside of the buy and sell and balance equity, profit loss and spreads, we have some other options in here. As you see, we have just we have this bar. You could just click on it and then move it on whenever you want. If you want to put it on here, just put it on here and trade with it. Okay, let's go. First of all, I want to tell you this panel has personal compounding sheet on it, and we set the personal compounding formula in it. What does that mean? It means if you want to compound, you could just easily use this panel for calculate your lot sizes. As you see, we have lot size in here, and if you click on the lot size, it will be changed to the risk percentage. The lot size will be your default lot size, what lot size that you want for trading. If you want one lot size, just put it on here and open your position. But if you want to use the risk percentage and compounding formula, just you should click on the lot size. It should be turned to the risk percentage. And here you should write down your risk percentage. For example, 10%. I want to risk my 10% of my equity. So in here, we will go to the stop loss and the TP. We should set our stop loss. For example, my stop loss will be 50 pips. And now it will be calculate my stop loss, my lot size based on the stop loss and the equity and other things in the formula. If you just bring your mouse in here, it will show you your lot sizes. So if you want to know your lot sizes, just bring your mouse in here and you will see the lot sizes. So now if you open your position, it will be open position based on this lot sizes. Okay, we have another way to open our positions, and most of you requested. We have the risk ratio boxes. It will be worked for all of your trades. How it works? For example, I want to use the 1, 2, 3. risk ratio. So now you could just put your stop loss in here. It will be automatically detect your target, and now again it will be calculate your lot sizes. As you see, my lot size is 10.44 lots. Okay, so if you want another risk ratio, just put it on here. It will be works same as that. It will be detect your target as well. And here we have another option for the opening the trades. We have SL visual. What does that mean? It means if you want to open multiple position on the chart and you have the solid stop loss, you could just click on the SL. It will be show you this line. Okay, so now put it on here. As you see in here, it will be show you stop loss automatically. And then with that stop loss, it will be open your position. Okay, if I want to open a position, I will click on the SL visual. For example, if I wanted to open the buy, I will put my stop loss below the price, and now I will choose the 5% as a risk percentage for compounding formula. It will be detect my stop loss as well. I just now click on the buy. As you see, it open depends my risk percentage, and it will be open as I want, you know, till my risk percentage will be just 5% each position. So now in here, it will be detect your target and stop loss as well. In here, we have an option called show trades. If you just click on it, you will see all of the data, all of the information about your trades. Okay, so now you will see what lot sizes that you use, what price you open, what is your stop loss, what is your target, how many pips are you in profit or on loss. You have break-even options, you have trading option, you have modify and closing part of your position. So I will explain some of these cool things that you could use it. First of all, if I wanted to remove my stop loss as soon as possible, just click on this arrow. Just click on this arrow, this cross. It will be disappear. It will be delete your stop loss. So now, if I wanted to my stop loss back according to this stop loss, just click on this plus. It will be back as soon as possible. And again, on the TP, same. If you want to remove your target, okay, just click on the cross. If you want your target will be back, depending on what you set in here, okay, just click on the plus as soon as possible. And here we have a cool option that called break even. When your trade went to the profit, it's so important. When your trades went to the profit, you could click on just break even, and it will be move your stop loss to your break even. Where is the break even? You set the break even in input. If you remember, you set it on the input and in here. If you want different break even pips, just put it on here. That's it. Okay, so and in here we see our we have an option that we call that is for break even. If you want to it move your stop loss automatically after hitting pips, just put it on here. For example, if I just set 10 pips and click on the accept, when my position went in profit over 10 pips, it will be changed and it will be moved my stop loss to break even. So I think it's very cool. In here, we have a trailing stop loss. It's the same thing for trading a stop loss that you want. For example, what's your trading a stop loss pips? You could put it on here and steps here, and I start from where. For example, if my position went over 12 pips, it will be a start trading with 4 pips, and I will put it on, and I will just accept. That's it. And here we have the option that that option that you could close how many percentage of your position. For example, I have 0.89 lot size. I wanted to close 0.5 of it. Just click on it, just set on it, and then click on the close. That's it. As you see, it will become here. As you see, this amount of your position has been closed. That's it. And in here you have, if you have many positions, you could have many of trades in one page, or you have separated in many pages. In here you could set it. In here we have an option that called information. If you click on it, this box will be appear for you. It will be show you your today and 5 days before, and your weekly, monthly, and in 1 year, your pips, profit, and gain. I think it's a very cool thing that you could use it every day for now how many pips that you gain, how many profit that you gain, and how many percentage that you gain. And that's it. That called Just 5 trading panel. I hope you could use it and enjoy it. I think it's one of the powerful and complete panel in the trading, in the meta trading. I hope you enjoyed. Cheers. Bye.